Your performance task number 3 is to make a PowerPoint presentation out of your autobiography, or it was in your beta number 1 on Google Docs. Insert at least 3 images and 1 video which are appropriate for each slide. There should be 5 slides with hyperlinks. You may choose any design and theme that you want for your presentation. So here is your rubric. Your PowerPoint presentation will be evaluated through the following. We have inserting of images and videos, 30%, transitions, 10%, use of hyperlinks is 50%, and overall impact of the PowerPoint presentation is 10% for a total of 100%. Okay, good day everyone. So for today, we are going to discuss your performance task number 3, which is Google Slides, or about Google Slides. So to show you, actually our performance task here is simple. You just have to learn how to insert images, videos, and of course, use hyperlinks in your slide. So if you have noticed, I have here already a sample slide. This is just a sample slide. So I encourage everyone to have a creative PowerPoint presentation about your autobiography. So that is your topic. So this is related to your performance task number 1, which was in Google Docs. Okay, so if you notice here, I have slides na hindi sunod-sunod. So let's say this is page 1. Just for the sake of this video, I put pages on my slides or page numbers, but this is not necessary in your slide. You just have to guide me with your hyperlinks. So we have page 1, next is page 4, page 2, page 5, and page 3. So we are now going to use objects to have hyperlinks in our PowerPoint presentation. So let's say, let's insert a shape. Okay. So you can use arrows, you can use shapes, whichever you prefer. Okay, so let's say I will insert a arrow here to lead me to slide number 2, which is now on slide number 3. So what we're going to do is to insert this shape and then right click on it and then click link. And then on the link, we can have slides in this presentation. So just we can choose among our slides. And then it's on slide 3. So let's pick slide 3. And let us check if okay na yon. Okay. So let's put this on slideshow. Okay. So let us click the arrow. It should lead us to slide number 2. Okay. So when we click, there you go. It leads us to slide number 2. Okay. Now we are going to have another sample. So from slide 2, I will insert another shape, which is, let's say, a heart. Do we have a heart here? There. Okay. So let's insert a heart. Okay. Because if you will notice on slide number 5, which is the page 3, there's also a heart. So it leads you, or it gives you a clue to where it will lead you next. Okay, actually you can change the color, the style of the heart here. Okay, so let's say you want to change it to a red one. Okay, so you just have to click fill color here on top and then click the color that you want. Okay. So let's say we will link it to slide 5, right click, link, and then slides in this presentation. Let's choose slide 5. Okay. So later we will check. In slide 3, going to slide 4, this is my father's story. So I will insert a shape that is, let's say I want it a sun. Okay. And I want it to be color, of course, yellow. Okay. And then let's right click, link, and then slides in this presentation. Again, that is on slide 2. Okay. And lastly, we are going to insert a shape. Actually, you can use also texts if you want. But for this case, I'm just using the shapes. Okay, so for the last slide, I'm going to use a triangle. And the last slide is on slide 4. Let's make it color, is it purple? Okay, and then let's link, right-click link, slides in this presentation, and it's on slide number 4. Okay. So let us check all the hyperlinks. So from slide 1, hyperlink to slide 2, that's correct. Hyperlink to slide 3, that's correct. Hyperlink to slide 4, that's correct. And the hyperlink to slide 5, and that's the final slide. Okay. Okay. So, once you are done, you may submit your work on our Google Classroom.